In the Gregoire-Besson Logistics Center, a French multinational specialized in manufacturing farm equipment, everything is organized by a criterion of maximum throughput and increased productivity. This project had to fix a problem area, centralizing spare parts dispatches from the 6 different manufacturing plants of the Gregoire-Besson group. And we also wanted to step up outputs, which is the bottom line for selling our equipment. So we checked out different suppliers to try to get past both logistics and IT issues. And soon it was clear that Mecalux, with its solid grip on project management, was the way to go. The outcome is a highly organized 1.1-acre warehouse with very streamlined order picking. A potential business partner would need to deliver a comprehensive technical solution that could take on everything from storing small parts, like a single bolt, up to 16-foot-high boxes. So we chose a triple storage solution: pallet racks for heavy and large-size parts set on pallets, the mini-load system for storing high-rotation spare parts, which represents 70% of our products, and lastly, cantilever racks to store bulky products. The storage zone features versatile pallet racks that adapt to a wide variety of SKUs of distinct rotations, sizes, and volumes. These racks store both palletized goods and containers. Upper levels hold reserve products. Meanwhile, locations on the bottom have pallets to pick off. Some of these racks include slide-out platforms to deposit containers on, facilitating picking for operators. These 25-foot-high racks have a capacity to locate more than 4,400 pallets. The AS/RS for boxes is composed of 2 aisles with double-deep racking on both sides that measure 154 feet long, 29 feet high, and have 17 levels that house more than 10,000 boxes. A stacker crane for boxes runs in each aisle, inserting and extracting goods from the locations automatically, according to the instructions of the Galileo control system. These machines work at speeds of 590 feet a minute and include an extraction system with telescopic forks that reach into second pallet positions. The frontal warehouse area includes a roller conveyor circuit that shifts goods to 2 picking stations, where waves of 4 orders are prepared at once. These days, our order prep is done in one fluid motion. That said, we still wanted to anticipate business growth at the Gregoire-Besson Group and deal with seasonal peaks in manufacturing. We can now accept orders an hour or more later than we used to with the mini-load system, meaning our throughput is higher since order picking takes less time. The area with cantilever racking rounds out the solutions set up by Mecalux to offload oversized products. These stand 16 feet high and consist of columns and cantilever arms to rest the loads on. A consolidation zone on the side of the warehouse is where orders are sent to be verified, then packaged and labeled. The automatic management of the goods is done through the EasyWMS warehouse management system. Using the EasyWMS software, we've improved the quality of our in-warehouse logistics flows, both in receptions and dispatches. Our operators work autonomously thanks to the task-by-task guidance of the system, from picking items to loading the delivery trucks. When we sat down with Mecalux to do a functional analysis, we planned out a certain number of functionalities suited to Gregoire-Besson, like automatic printing of packing lists or management of supplier batch codes. This collaboration didn't end there. We're still developing functionalities together to facilitate the day-to-day work of our personnel. In front of the pallet racks is a reception and dispatch zone, where orders are closed before being loaded onto the trucks. The multinational Gregoire-Besson needed a long-term business partner to face its recent growth. Mecalux has answered the call by implementing effective, adaptable solutions, which means the company has topped out productivity thanks to efficient picking, a high storage capacity, and a custom-fit warehouse management system.